everyone. How's everyone been doing with this quarantine? It's been 5 weeks now, and it seems like it's been forever, but we're almost out of this, you guys. So let's stick together. I thought today I could do a quick tutorial. I was gonna do my hair, so I thought maybe do a tutorial on doing curls and adding a few clip-ons. So this is gonna be a simple one, and I have a few clip-ons that I like to add to my sides just around this area, because I have very short hair, baby hair, so I don't get the volume that I want on my own. So I need to add a few little clip-ons that I have that are already kind of toned to the natural color that I have. So let's do this. I'm gonna use a big rod because I want to have really natural curls. I'm gonna just start with the bottom, and this is a super easy one. I want something super natural, and I like to use, and don't mind the roots, guys. We're all in quarantine, we're not touching up our hair, so I have a lot of roots, but I can't wait for this to be over and touch up those blonde roots. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is probably the longest I've had my roots, but my hairstylist can't be mad at me because it's not my fault. And I cannot be mad at my clients either, because when I go back to work, they're all gonna be in the same boat as me. And yeah, we're all gonna just help each other. So just super easy. I want it to be very soft. And I'm using the Babyless Curler. I really love this brand. I love their straighteners. I love their blow dryers. I love how they can control the temperature really well. And the material that is made doesn't really damage your hair so much. Obviously, depending on your hair type, you need to bring the heat down. So I like that you can control that. Okay, so I have both of them curled already. So we're just gonna do a little bit of sectioning here. I'm gonna try and just go from here, and I'm gonna go a little lower. Oh, hi, Zoe. Someone's up. All right, so this one, okay, so this is this side. And just put it on right around there. And you don't want to go too super close to the edge so nobody sees them. And go all the way around, and you're gonna do it right at the line where you section. So this is a good hold. And you drop these, and they blend really, really well with my hair. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for this side. I'm just gonna section this off a little lower, right around here, hide this, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna just tease the root wherever the clip is gonna be going. Real quick, and then just put the clip right there where you teased it. And that's that. And you drop that hair, and then finish curling the rest. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. So I usually like to curl everything. Everybody has a different style. I really like how the curls look when they all go one direction. My hair doesn't really keep the curls too much, so I don't want to like mess with it, because at the end it's just gonna look really frizzy. So I like everything going backwards this way, and this one's go backwards to the other side. I still kind of keep that, you know, that same routine going Monday through Friday. I like to wake up, have my workout routine, eat healthy, and then Friday night comes, it's like my weekend is here, and I just kind of either hit a little bit of a workout or not, you know, because it's a weekend, and I'm still trying to feel like I'm living my normal life and keeping myself busy doing the same exact things I would have been doing if I wasn't in quarantine, because I don't want to feel like I'm on lockdown, and, you know, keep my sanity, and just not go crazy. I hope everybody's doing something that makes them happy, or having any little projects to do around the house, because I know that you can go crazy without anything to do. So I've been doing a lot of stuff. I've been baking, I've been cooking, I've been doing a lot of stuff that I wouldn't probably do. But now that I have all the free time, I'm learning how to do better Mexican food, baking things better. If I mess up, I just try again next time. It has been really fun for me. I have my nephew with me, so we're together all day, and that keeps me with a little bit of company. You know, I'm not alone. And I hope everybody's doing really well and not going crazy. You can do clip-ons, you can do tape extensions, you can do anything with extensions for color, for length, for volume, whatever it is that you need. Extensions are the way to go. I do clip-ons because I don't like the maintenance of wearing the permanent ones. I already tried the tape ones, and my hair is wavy, and so it didn't really go with the texture when it would be wet or whatever. So this is better for me. I take them off, you know, when I'm done wearing them, go to sleep. Let me know if you want anything else, any other looks that you guys would love me to do, and I will be posting another one. Thank you guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.